How to fix a Harbor Freight ratcheting cargo bar, the heavy duty version, if it's jammed. So mine it got a load that hit it, so it was fully extended pretty much. See that bend right there? That's about where it's extended. So what I did is it wasn't going up and down like this, so I took it like this and pull this little piece back so that I'm trying to do this one-handed. Anyway, so it's like that so that it'll move, and then you can hammer it down, and then you can, with a little effort, we'll pull this little catch, and it might ratchet a little bit easier. Also, you want to wipe this down, maybe even sand it to lose a little bit of clearance. Okay, so now once you get it moving a little bit to where you can get it out, then you can see where the problem is at. So that looks like where the biggest bend is right now. So anyway, I went over to my big friggin' hammer. This is called a dead blow hammer from Harbor Freight. And I just placed it like this. And then you can use this as a kind of clamp. So if you hold it right there, then you can rotate it towards, it looks like it's bending the opposite way from there. So move this up to about there and then hit it. So there you go. That's how I fixed my ratcheting cargo bar. I thought it was broken, but fixed.